you shoot him.
Sound muted.
Alright guys, I just, as you can see, the bridge is out here north of PD, or east of PD, what is it? Yeah, I guess that's west of PD. Anyway, this bridge is out right here, and when bridges go out, as admins, we can fix them. You don't have to restart the server if you do this, and here you are. You bring up your Control U menu, and you type block, or a BLO, and it'll bring you block concrete, and you build that, and just C to put it down. You can spin it around. I'm just trying to get these out done quick here. Not that real important. You want to try and get it level, because it can damage you walking on it. And the car will probably be okay, and then you just drop it down. So I got 4 of them on here, okay? Yeah, there you go. So I'll put on another one. Build. See. Put it all down. Another one. That's going to be very boring for you. Build it. See. Drop it down. Bring it back. Bring it up without E. You can do this. I think police officers might be able to do this. If we, yeah, we got to be careful, I guess. We don't want to tell them about this, do we? Because the thing is, you guys, a lot of you probably think that you can't fix this. You think that you put your stuff down and it'll disappear, but many of us know that if you put your blocks down in place, we can save the game without restarting the server. And this is a pretty major break, because this is the major connector to the whole northwest side of the map. So, boom, got another one down. It's easy to put these down, so I'll just pretty sloppily put this one up. I've even thought about having a construction, I'm building a construction worker skin, and who knows if I was thinking a construction worker could get blocks or things and make stuff. That might be something for civs to do. They could buy a kit. It would give them some concrete blocks. Now I know that's going to get abused. You know, I don't know that it's going to get abused, but I suspect. So we would, you know, frown on that, of course, because somebody sticks one of these blocks in the road, and that's going to mess with the server. Didn't get that very well. Anyway, so this bridge is done. Now, I may go through here and just finish putting more bricks down here, because I feel like once the bridge wrecked, maybe it'll get closer to wrecking again. I don't know. It's a lot of work. Maybe make a bigger bridge piece and put it in the game so I can just lay down bridges. I think that'd be a good solution. But for now, do this, just like I did. And again, if you just got here, you're not paying attention, Control U, come down to block concrete F. You build it. There it is. Spin it around. Do whatever you want to do. There it is. Put it down. Where's this freaking button? There, and place it. Okay, so then hit abort, where you can die. I guess you could also have 4, which they call combat logging, but just abort. You don't lose your stuff that way. And if you abort, it will go and be gone. Hector wants to be a civ, he thinks. Anyway, I guess that's it. You'll see the bridge is there. Yeah. Trying to make a movie here, people. Any of you that snuck around long enough, that'll be fun for you. Yeah, there's your bridge. It's intact. Cool. See ya.